The Iraqi dinar may be quietly moving, and Bank of America could be at the center of it all. Something big might be brewing under the radar, and if you're holding Iraqi dinar, you'll want to pay attention. Whispers are turning into louder murmurs, and the focus is now on an unexpected giant, Bank of America. That's right. One of the largest financial institutions in the U.S. is rumored to be quietly facilitating private IQD exchanges behind closed doors. And unlike the usual dinar forum chatter, this time the buzz is spreading faster and wider than usual. What's really going on? Over the past 48 hours, a wave of unconfirmed yet detailed reports has emerged. Multiple individuals claim to have visited Bank of America branches and been directed to specialized departments when asking about exchanging Iraqi dinar. We're not talking about your typical teller transaction. These alleged exchanges appear to involve private wealth managers, foreign currency specialists, or even back-office appointments. Some were asked to return with detailed paperwork, receipts, dealer invoices, government-issued ID, suggesting a level of scrutiny that feels more like a financial vetting than a casual currency swap. This structured private process could mean that Bank of America is testing something. A soft launch? A compliance trial run? Either way, it's far from business as usual. Why is this a big deal? Historically, big U.S. banks have kept their distance from the Iraqi dinar due to volatility, limited convertibility, and tight regulatory hurdles. If Bank of America is now cautiously stepping in, even in a limited capacity, it could signal a major shift in attitude, possibly the early signs of a larger rollout. There's speculation that this quiet activity might be limited to high-tier clients or those with prior relationships at the bank, and that exclusivity may be intentional, keeping things small, discreet, and under tight compliance control. What about the exchange rate? Here's where it gets murky, and frankly, where hype can spiral fast. Some claim they were offered Iraq's official rate of around 1,310 IQD per USD. Others, however, say they were quoted speculative rates between $3.50 to $6 per dinar, figures that have zero official confirmation and no paper trail. No screenshots, no rate sheets, no bank statements, just stories. And as of May 30th, 2025, Bank of America has not made any public announcement verifying that these transactions are happening, or that such rates exist. So, what should you do? If you're holding Iraqi dinar, stay prepared, but stay grounded. Here are smart steps to take now. 1. Organize your paperwork. Ensure you have receipts from licensed dealers, digital confirmations, and any documentation proving your purchases. 2. Secure your currency. Keep your notes in a safe, dry, protected place. Damaged bills could be rejected by banks. 3. Make quiet inquiries. Visit or call your local branch and ask politely if they handle foreign currency exchanges, and specifically the Iraqi dinar. Be respectful and don't press. Just gauge the environment. 4. Watch for scams. As excitement builds, so does fraud. Never hand your dinar over to strangers or brokers promising secret VIP exchanges. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. 5. Get tax advice. Any gain from exchanging IQD for USD is taxable. Speak with a CPA familiar with foreign currency regulations to avoid headaches down the line. Bigger picture. What does this mean? Iraq has recently made headlines for boosting oil deals, increasing reserves, and tightening control over currency markets. These moves hint at a country stabilizing its economy, a crucial step for broader currency acceptance. Bank of America's alleged quiet involvement may not just be about the dinar. It could reflect broader global shifts, de-dollarization trends, oil-backed currency concepts, and more diverse financial power centers emerging. Still, it's important to remain skeptical. There is no confirmed revaluation, no official policy shift, no government statement, just speculation and early signs, promising, yes, but not proof. Final thought: stay informed, not fooled. The IQD space is full of hopeful dreams and traps. If there's real movement happening, it'll be transparent, regulated, and eventually publicly acknowledged. Until then, play it smart. Stay updated. Watch the signals. But don't get swept away by the hype. When and if the time comes, you'll want to be ready and protected.